This video will go over how to use your touch-up paint to cover cosmetic damages on your CosmoGlo. To cover small cosmetic damages, tape off non-painted areas such as the clamp, screw heads, LED shield, and logos. A gentle painter's tape or masking tape that won't leave residue works best. Before painting, wipe down all surfaces with a microfiber cloth to remove dust particles. Shake spray can for 20 seconds before use. Before application, test the spray on a separate area. To touch up multiple spots, you may need to disassemble your light. Minor damages can be painted without disassembling. Hold the can 6 to 8 inches away and apply with even, horizontal strokes. Holding too closely or spraying too much in one area can lead to an uneven application and drips. For best results, paint in thin layers, allowing each previous layer to dry in between applications. To touch up multiple areas, disassemble the light and cover any holes or openings with tape or foam. Avoid painting areas that are not visible once assembled, such as the inner pole or inside the screw holes. For best results while painting individual poles, use a support rack. Apply in thin coats for the best results. Let the paint dry completely in between coats. Different colors may have different consistencies. Practice on a test surface first to get a feel for the pressure, reach of spray, drying time, and look and feel of the paint when dried. Please reach out to our support team if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.